My name is Niyati Mahajan and I am a pediatrician with Atrium Health, Levine Children's. I grew up in India and went to med school in India. My husband actually found a job here first. He was invited to work with the Department of Anesthesia, and that's how I followed him. So we moved to Winston-Salem in 2018, right before the pandemic hit. So as a family, we love to travel. So I think that's one thing we've decided as a family that all of us love to do. So we love to travel. My boys love to try new restaurants. So wherever we go, we try to find some local good restaurants. We'll do that. So growing up, I grew up in a household where both my parents are physicians. So I think more than me choosing the profession chose me. That's all I saw growing up. It was very exciting. My father is a pediatrician. I loved going to his clinic, seeing him interact with children. And that was one of my favorite memories of my childhood. So that's how I ended up being a pediatrician. I like a lot about being a pediatrician. I'm a general pediatrician, so I like the fact that I can see babies up until they're teenagers. I can follow families along. We build trust, we build relationships. My patient care philosophy has always been that the patients come first. So when I enter the room to see a patient, I try to give them my 100%. They have my time. While I'm there, they can ask any questions. No questions are wrong, no questions are silly. And in pediatrics, since our patient is the child, I try to focus on the child, but also understanding that we have to treat them as a family unit. I think my colleagues keep me coming back every day. I love working here. We have a great support system. If we're having a hard day, we talk to each other, and that really helps. That support really helps me.